Hey, it's Ray Lampe, DrBBQ. You know, it's turkey time, holiday season coming up, and I'm all about the turkey. So let's talk about them a little bit. This is a whole turkey. This is what a lot of us are going to cook over the holidays. This is about a 14-pounder, a great size for the grill or the smoker. You want to defrost this for 4 full days in the refrigerator. Put it in a foil pan, put it in there, and forget about it for 4 full days. Don't let it sit around. Don't try to do it on the counter in the sink. That's not the right way to go. And let's talk about cooking real quick too. Get your thermometer out. This is a turkeysmoke.org one. There's a bunch of info there if you're looking for some turkey info. But make sure you're using your thermometer. 165 internal temp for all turkeys. Let it be the way to go, and it won't be dry. It'll be nicely cooked. That's what you got to do. Keep an eye on them. This is a bone-in turkey breast. So this is for if you're having a little bit smaller party, or if some folks don't like dark meat. I don't know what's wrong with them, but some folks are just like that. The bone-in turkey breast, also a good way to go. You're still gonna want to defrost this for a couple days in the fridge if you bought it frozen. Now, a tip I got, Chris Capel, my good buddy from Dizzy Pig, helped me out with this. You take your kitchen shears and you cut the ribs off of the side. So this has got all the bone and the backbone there. Cut that stuff off and use that for stock, because there's not a lot of meat there. The meat's all up on top anyway. Makes it a lot easier to handle and slice, and it looks nicer. And then you got that good stuff for the stock too. Last but not least is a boneless turkey roast, turkey breast roast. Now they have them that also have whole turkey, so it'd have a little bit of dark meat in there too. They're both really good. This is the real simple way to go. If you're having a real small party, you're busy, you don't have time to really deal with Thanksgiving, you can actually cook these straight from frozen if you'd like. I'd rather defrost it for me personally, but it can do it straight from frozen. Even if you did defrost it one day overnight in the fridge, this is gonna be fine. Real simple way to go. All the versions that people are gonna need. So now let's talk about seasoning them. You know I'm that Dizzy Pig guy, so let's talk about Mad Max Turkey Rub. Dizzy Pig, I don't think anybody else is making a specific turkey rub, and it's a good one. Mad Max, an old friend of ours with a turkey recipe, and the rub comes from that, and it's a great choice. This is Jamaican Firewalk. This is the Dizzy Pig jerk seasoning. I used this recently at Dizzy Fest on some boneless turkey thighs, and they were great. So I think that's a fun way to go. Not everybody's cup of tea, but if you got a little adventurous family, make that jerk turkey. It's pretty good. This is Shaking the Tree. This is the Dizzy Pig lemon pepper kind of seasoning. Perfect fit for turkey. Nobody's gonna dislike this one. It's gonna be a little off-center, you know, that lemon pepper versus traditional Thanksgiving flavors, but really good on a turkey. Don't hesitate to use that one. Bayou-ish. This is Dizzy Pig's Creole seasoning, a really nice choice. Kind of, if you were frying turkeys, you'd be using that more, but it's all right. This is a good fit for smoked turkey as well. Not too spicy. I think everybody be okay with that. Last but not least, if you're going for just a regular old barbecue rub, this is Crossroads. This is my favorite traditional barbecue rub out of the Dizzy Pig lineup. Got a little heat and a little sweet to it. It's gonna be nice if you're just cooking a regular old smoked barbecue turkey. You know, I'm DrBBQ. I am the spokesman for the National Turkey Federation. A lot of info at turkeysmoke.org. I'm all about turkey. I love it. I'm also the Dizzy Pig spokesman, and I love their stuff as well. All natural, all ground fresh, all mixed in-house. Nobody else is doing that. So go to dizzypigbbq.com and find out about their stuff.